The first wine is Bobal from Valencia in the Utiel Requena region. This is the Vino Tinto Cosecha 2017 from Mariano of Cueva by Mariano. This is Bobal, which is native to Valencia. Little age on it, kind of dark fruited, but Mediterranean fresh, kind of salty red. The next wine is the 2019 Martvili Marani Solicori from Imreti, which is in western Georgia, Republic of Georgia, inland. This wine is made from Solicori, which is a white variety that grows quite abundantly in Georgia. It is made in clay, which is traditional in the Republic of Georgia, but this wine also incorporates stainless steel during the fermentation, so it has kind of a lighter, fresher take for Solicori. Definitely has the clay mineral component from the later kind of aging vessel, but for a Georgian orange wine, super lively, super fresh, floral, bright, easy to drink, salty. Then the third wine is the 2014 Naranjuez Prisa Mata, which translates to Rush Kills. This is from an area called Marchal in Andalusia, southern Spain. This guy named Antonio Vilches makes the wine. This is kind of a crazy blend. It's Tempranillo, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Pinot, I think some Merlot. Pretty wild. There's Burgundy and Bordeaux varieties planted on this vineyard, I guess, in Andalusia, which is wild because it's hot and dry and closer to Africa than it is to, say, Burgundy. So interesting to have kind of Pinot blended in from that area, but mostly Tempranillo, very kind of like roasty. I think this is a very tasty kind of bonfire red. The fourth wine is back to our friend Mariano in Valencia. This is Tardana from Utiel Requena once again. Tardana is a white variety that is named Tardana because it ripens late, so tarde in Spanish. So this is Tardana with a little skin contact. He does all of his wines with his whites, it seems like, with some time on the skins. This is a pretty lightly skin contact wine, just adds a little bit more texture. Very limey, fresh, high acid. Definitely like morning wine situation. Next, we have the Lapati Wines Saperavi from Kakheti, Georgia. Saperavi is a pretty commonly planted red variety in Georgia. Kind of like usually make kind of bigger, earthier, more robust reds. This wine was made with carbonic maceration, so a much lighter expression of Saperavi. The berries are left whole, juice ferments inside the berry, so you don't get as much of the kind of tannic quality that would otherwise be found if the grapes were punched through fermentation. So this is cool because it's carbonically macerated and then put into clay. So again, kind of like the Solicori that mentioned earlier, just like a little bit different of a process, but still using the Georgian amphora. You still get that mineral character, but this carbonic maceration makes it easier to drink and lighter and juicier, and you can chill it, have it at a picnic. Last wine is actually an apple wine. It is the 2016-2017 Still Point from Fable in Vermont, Barnard, Vermont. These guys make cider, they make wine from American hybrid varieties, they make co-ferments. They view cider as wine, essentially, because wine is just kind of defined as like fermented fruit thing. But yeah, they on the bottle itself if you are in the club in which you receive this, which would be the 6 bottle club. There's a lot of information on the side. They're very thorough in their descriptions of their process. Yeah, they have kind of this like elven magical quality, make these very electric beverages. This is a still apple cider. It's very tasty. Okay, those are all the wines. Let us know if you have any questions. Ciao.